Good morning, classics. Welcome back to your chemistry classroom once again. After examination, it is your first class, and I'm going to start chapter 5, Air and Atmosphere. So let's start the chapter. Look at your book. Introduction, Discovery. To Air and Discovery of Air. The atmosphere surrounds the earth as a layer of a mixture of gases. This mixture of gases called atmosphere may extend beyond over 320 kilometers above the Earth's surface as an invisible, colorless form of matter. So, at first, what is atmosphere? Atmosphere surrounds the Earth as a layer of a mixture of gases. अर्थ के बाहर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ गैसेस का जो लेयर है इट फॉर्म एटमोस्फियर. This mixture of gases called atmosphere may extend beyond over 320 kilometers above the Earth's surface as an invisible colorless form of matter. Next, man cannot survive without air and water, and hence air is very essential for our survival. The composition of air varies from place to place on Earth and also at lower and high altitudes. About 1/5 of the air is oxygen and about 4/5 is nitrogen. So just underline it. About 1/5 of air ka total 20%, that is 1/5 of air is oxygen and about 4/5 is nitrogen. Small amounts of carbon dioxide is also present in the air, which is essential for plants for photosynthesis. Traces of noble gases, mainly argon, is also present in the air. Here is a short list about different types of scientists and their discoveries. Scientist John Mayo proved that air is a mixture and contains an active component and inactive component. So, John Mayo proved that air is a mixture and it contained active and inactive components in it. Year 1674. After that, Joseph Priestley, 1774. Joseph Priestley discovered the gas in the active component. The gas discovered is found to be oxygen. So Joseph Priestley actually found the gas that is also known as oxygen. So oxygen was first discovered by Joseph Priestley in the year 1774. Next, Antony Lavoisier, 1789. Antony Lavoisier named the active component as oxygen gas and the inactive component as nitrogen gas. So Antony Lavoisier in the year of 1789 एयर को दो कंपोनेंट में डिवाइड किए. फर्स्ट एक्टिव कंपोनेंट in air, that is known as oxygen, and an inactive component of air is also known as nitrogen gas. Next, the term atmosphere. The atmosphere of Earth is a layer of gases commonly called the air. It surrounds the planet Earth and is retained above the Earth by the force of gravity. The atmosphere plays an important role in the survival of mankind. It absorbs UV radiations and warms the Earth's surface by the retention of heat. So, what is the main function of atmosphere? Basically, atmosphere plays a very important role in the survival of mankind because it absorbs the UV radiations and warmth of sun above Earth's surface by retention of heat. The atmosphere also reduces temperature extremes between day and night. So दोपहर या रात की टाइम नॉर्मली टेम्परेचर जो वैरी करता है इट एक्चुअली reduces by atmosphere. The atmosphere becomes thinner with increasing altitude. मतलब हाइट जितना ही ऊंचा होता जाएगा नॉर्मली एटमोस्फियर का जो थिकनेस है ये कम होता जाएगा. एंड बिटवीन द एटमोस्फियर एंड द आउटर स्फीयर outer space there is no boundary seen to exist. As the altitude in atmosphere increases, the air pressure and density may be seen to decrease. मतलब जितना ही नॉर्मली हाइट इंक्रीज होगा उसी के साथ एयर का जो प्रेशर एंड डेंसिटी है वो कम होता जाएगा. द स्टडी ऑफ अर्थ एटमोस्फियर इज कंसिडर्ड एज एटमोस्फेरिक साइंस और एरोलॉजी. सो जस्ट अंडरलाइन इट. What is aerology? It is the branch of science which actually deals about the study of Earth's surface. It is also known as atmospheric science or aerology. Look at it here. That is Earth core. First layer is troposphere, then stratosphere, third atmosphere. मतलब normally there are 4 or 5 layer. This total layer is also known as atmosphere. So student, hope all of you understood what I've discussed in this video. So for first day up to this portion.